Do you feel like your money disappears before the end of the month? You earn a steady paycheck, yet somehow the accounts always run dry. This bar chart compares a monthly income of $1,000 against $1,200 in expenses. When outgoing cash exceeds incoming revenue, you create a structural deficit. A commercial business operating with a permanent deficit eventually reaches a point of insolvency. Your personal finances are an enterprise, and they require the same level of strategic oversight. That oversight comes from budgeting. A budget is a defined plan for your income and expenses, designed to systematically accumulate savings and avoid debt and hit specific targets. Without this plan, the monthly deficit becomes a predictable certainty. You stop directing your resources and start reacting to where they've already gone. This pie chart illustrates an introductory operating model known as the 50-30-20 rule. Half of your revenue covers mandatory survival costs, your needs. 30% is allocated to lifestyle wants, and the remaining 20% is locked away to build future wealth. This diagram outlines a more precise model, the zero-based budget. Here, your total income minus your expenses equals exactly zero. Under this model, every single dollar is assigned a specific job, like rent, groceries, or investments, before the month even begins. For those who struggle with digital tracking, the envelope system provides a physical, cash-based alternative. You divide your cash into literal envelopes for different categories. When an envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category entirely. The specific framework you choose is secondary to the decision to adopt a structured allocation model. Building your budget requires two foundational actions: calculating your exact monthly income and tracking every single past expense to see where your money actually goes. This scatter plot represents raw spending data. To make sense of it, you must categorize isolated transactions into logical categories, like housing, transportation, and food. Once categorized, establish hard financial limits for each group to ensure outgoing cash never breaches your income ceiling. At the end of the month, you conduct an executive review. You audit your spending, identify where you overextended, and adjust the allocations for the next cycle. A successful budget is a living system. It requires active, ongoing management to function. Managing this system means mitigating risk. The immediate threat is failing to track daily expenses, leaving you completely blind to your own cash flow. Setting wildly unrealistic goals creates immediate friction. When the constraints are too tight, the resulting frustration often leads to abandoning the system entirely. Ignoring small daily purchases is equally dangerous. $3 here and $5 there continuously compound, slowly bleeding the budget dry. Operating without an emergency fund leaves your personal enterprise exposed. A sudden medical bill or car repair forces you into high-interest debt that disrupts future growth. Left unchecked, these mistakes act as hidden financial leaks that can sink a well-planned operating model. A budget provides the architecture for financial autonomy. It ensures that every expenditure is an intentional choice rather than a passive occurrence. To optimize your system, automate your data collection with tracking apps and build a habit of saving first rather than saving whatever happens to be left over. Implement friction to stop impulse buying, like waiting 24 hours before a large purchase, and run weekly mini reviews to stay on target. Let's test your knowledge. Which budgeting rule suggests saving 20% of your income? Is it A, 70-20-10, B, 50-30-20, C, zero-based, or D, envelope? When you control your money stops controlling you. Subscribe to MBA Orbit for more strategies on running your personal enterprise.